We're gonna film my dad's air conditioners. These are at a commercial property. We're gonna go film them. Hopefully not, and also hopefully not get busted. So here are the air conditioners. Let's hope I don't get scared of them throwing up. Oh, here's some. Oh, those Lieberts are quiet. This Liebert's got a 5-bladed fan. I like those air conditioners. These are the quietest commercial units I've ever heard of. Date 2003. This thing's from 2003. Let's go check the quiet one. 2003. These are cool air conditioners. Oh, both of them probably turned on. So these are still hooked up to power. 2000. And it's got still a 5-blade fan. I mean, these air conditioners here are so quiet. 2000. And there's a Lurkin. It's got a 4-bladed fan. I mean, this is cool. This thing is from, I don't know. I mean, this thing is cool. It has the older fan blade design and a blue fan grill. Never heard air conditioners, Lurkin, and I've never seen a blue fan grill ever in my life, ever. There's some Trenton refrigeration components to that Trenton, but oh, it looks very vandalized. These units are loud. Here's Liebert under there. It's got 5 blades. Here's the Liebert running. And there is a volley. I never heard that. There's a Daikin from, okay, serial number 03, I believe. Oh wait, that looks younger. That's crazy. The serial number says 84 and 03 and 08. I am so mixed up right here. There's the volley. Oh, it's a refrigeration component. It's got 3 blades. Yeah, these are the Lieberts. Very loud. That's crazy. One of them, the grill is not running. This one I think is incredibly quiet, or it might be shutting off. You know what? I think this is just incredibly quiet. Here's a cooler. So, Dad, what do these do? Yeah, I'll go check the Liebert. It's from 2007. Let's go check this one. 2007. These are both manufactured in 2007. Don't know what year, do not know what year, do not know what year, do not know what year. Not even the Lurkin. Well, we got one of them stirring up, I believe. Can't tell the blade. Yeah. There's the Lurkin. And the fan motor is upside down. Yeah. I actually like these Liebert air conditioners. They're very quiet. Yeah, and this is a 3-ton? It looks heavier than that. That's a big 3-ton. 3-ton? Condenser. Okay, so I don't know if these have R22 or R14A. R12, R22, I believe. So this is R12. That one must have R12. That's hot. So I don't know what J means. I'm guessing like January or June or July. That's kind of crazy. I'm confused why these Lieberts say like A, which could mean April or August. I don't know. Come on. Hello, Liebert. Okay. And this is confusing. They don't even have condenser coils. R22. R12. These are very quiet. Wait, I should check the refrigeration on this one. Up. Liebert. This is unit number 6. This is a, come on, R22. R22. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, got one of them starting up. Oh, sweet. What's that? Wrap it up. Okay. That wasn't the Lurkin. You know what? Oh, this giant Liebert shut off. Yeah, both. Yeah, two. Dual zone 2007 Liebert and an 08 presumably Daikin Trenton. There's an unknown brand Volley Lurkin 2000. 2 2000 Lieberts and 2 2003, I believe, Lieberts. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. This has been a Tan Fan production.